Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you Xiaomi Truclean W20 review. So you might be wondering, what is the Xiaomi Truclean W20? So the Xiaomi Truclean W20 here is a 3-in-1 cordless wet and dry vacuum cleaner that can vacuum, mop, and wash your floors at the same time. Now, unlike the traditional vacuum that only picks up dry debris, the Truclean W20 is designed to handle dust, pet hair, liquid spills, and sticky messes in a single pass. Now, it uses around 15,000 PA suction power, a rotating roller brush, separate clean and dirty water tanks, and a self-cleaning dock, making it an all-in-one solution for cleaning hard floors. Now, one of the biggest reasons the Xiaomi Truclean W20 stands out is its convenience. Now, instead of vacuuming first, then mopping afterwards, it does both jobs simultaneously, saving time during the everyday cleaning. Now, the clean water tank here continuously supplies fresh water to the roller, while dirty water is collected in a separate tank, helping prevent you from spreading dirty water back onto the floor. Now, after you're done cleaning, simply place the vacuum on its charging base and activate the self-cleaning function, which automatically rinses the roller brush to reduce maintenance. Now, in terms of performance here, the TrueClean W20 is particularly good at handling daily household messes. It easily picks up the fine dust, crumbs, pet hair, and small spills, while also removing light stains from tile, vinyl, laminate, and sealed hardwood floors. The anti-hair design helps reduce hair from wrapping around the brush, making it especially useful for homes with pets or family members with long hair. While it capable of cleaning larger homes, most people may note that 30-minute battery life makes it best suited for smaller to medium-sized homes for routine cleaning sessions rather than deep cleaning every large areas. Now, who is the target or who is the Xiaomi True Clean 20 best for? Now, it's an excellent choice for busy families, pet owners, apartment dwellers, or anyone with mostly hard flooring who wants to simply clean their want to clean a cleaning routine. Now, if you frequently deal with spilled drinks, muddy footprints, kitchen messes, or pet accidents, being able to vacuum and mop at the same time can save significant amounts of effort. It also grants a great option for first-time buyers looking for wet and dry vacuum without spending the premium prices of higher end brands. However, if your home is mostly carpeted or you need very long battery life for large houses, you may want to consider a more powerful model with extended runtime. But that's about it. So overall, the Xiaomi TrueClean W20 offers the great balance of performance, ease of use, and value. It simplifies everyday floor cleaning by combining vacuuming and mopping into one device, making it an ideal upgrade for anyone who wants cleaner, hard floors with less time and effort. But that's it. If you found this video, feel free to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.